Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. On the menu today, we're going to make a really nice, simple pasta salad. So let's take a look at what we've got. Here I've got some cooked pasta. I'm using penne. You could be using any pasta you want. I've got like 150, 200 grams there. I've got like a large cup of peas, garden peas that I've cooked. One large tomato, like 100 grams of chopped cheddar, or you could be changing that to another cheese. 4 boiled eggs, hard boiled. Half a cup of bell peppers. 1 cup of mayonnaise. Just under a cup of grated Parmesan. Half a cup of green pesto. And 1 cup of chopped onion. We're going to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. That is it. It's delicious. So I've got a mixing bowl here. As you can see, the pasta's in there. Let's start off by dropping in all that veg. So I've got those peas, I've got that bit of cheddar chopped up, the tomato, the egg that I've now chopped, bell peppers. Now you could be putting anything in, play around with this, like so, some raw mushrooms, some olives, some cucumber, whatever you like, the onion, and the Parmesan cheese. Very simply, we're going to give that a mix. Okay, that's mixed. A little bit of black pepper in there. A little bit of salt. I'm not going crazy with the salt because the cheese. And then what we're going to do is look at these two guys. So I've got my mayonnaise in a larger container and we're going to add the pesto. So we've got like 2 to 1. So 2 to 1 in favour of the mayo. Simply a little mix. You could be putting some garlic in this if you wanted as well, into this salad. You've got a really nice creamy pesto there. That is going to go straight onto our salad. So, very simply, let's get all of this into the bowl. One more mix. And it's done. Okay, and there you go. Could not be easier, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Please click that bell icon below for notifications. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.